In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a data range in Google Sheets efficiently and effectively. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data, and being able to select a specific range is one of the essential skills you'll need to master to make the most out of this platform. Let's begin by opening Google Sheets and locating the document you want to work on. If you haven't created a document yet, you can easily start a new one by clicking on the blank option in Google Sheets. Once the document is open, you'll likely see a series of cells arranged in rows and columns. These cells can hold different types of data like text, numbers, or formulas. Now, to select a data range, you first need to decide which specific cells you want to include in this range. Click on the first cell in the range where you want to start, and then hold down your mouse or trackpad as you drag across other cells to highlight them. This simple action will allow you to visually mark the range of cells you're interested in. In most cases, you'll notice that the selected cells become highlighted in a different color, usually a light blue or gray, which makes it easier to see what you've chosen. If you want to select a very large range, you can use the Shift key as a shortcut. After clicking on the first cell, hold down the Shift key and click on the last cell in the range you wish to select. This action will automatically select all the cells between your first and last choice, saving you time, especially when dealing with large spreadsheets. For more advanced users who are dealing with non-adjacent cells, you'll want to use the Control key if you're on Windows or the Command key if you're using a Mac. Simply click on the first cell of your first selection, hold down the Control or Command key, and then click on each additional cell or range you'd like to include. This method is particularly useful for selecting specific parts of your data that aren't next to each other. Once you've successfully selected your data range, you can perform a variety of operations. These include applying formulas, formatting, or even creating charts from the selected data. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Google Sheets, the more comfortable you'll become with selecting data ranges, and soon you'll be navigating and manipulating large sets of data like a pro. Don't hesitate to experiment with different selection techniques as you grow more confident. I hope this guide helps you feel more at ease with Google Sheets and enhances your productivity. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing more helpful tips with you in the future.